Good evening, everyone. Hopefully you had an enjoyable weekend. I know these temperatures were enjoyable for many outdoors today. A lot of us warmed into the 30s, 34 degrees in Jamestown and in Valley City, Fargo as well. 36 degrees in Carrington, 31 in Grand Forks, 30 in Mahnomen and Park Rapids. And still tonight, temperatures are relatively comfortable. Cloudy skies, 21 degrees in Fargo, and still not a lot of wind out of the south at 5 miles per hour after a fairly gusty day in parts of the region. Still at 30 degrees right now in Jamestown. It's 28 in Oaks, 29 in Devil's Lake. But notice the 8-degree reading in Thief River Falls. It's only 9 degrees up in Roseau, 10 in Detroit Lakes. That has to do with cloud cover tonight. We're seeing a pocket of clearing, and that's like taking off the blanket when you're nice and warm in bed, and then all of that heat that's been building up escapes. So that's what's happening with our temperatures. But off into the northeast, take a look at this massive system. This is the same one actually that brought us some snow the other day, but now it's bringing up to a foot by tomorrow in portions of New York. So a lot of snow and even severe weather with that system as well. No severe weather or massive snow to worry about in our neck of the woods tonight. We're going to see fairly light winds and some areas of fog. Where you see this darker gray, that indicates fog through the overnight hours and into your Monday morning. But check out these temperatures. They're going to stay steady. Lots of 20s overnight and into tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a beautiful day. Temperatures staying in the 20s, a few of us dipping down into the teens, but overall a very quiet day until late, especially the overnight hours where we start to see snow creeping in. So take a wider view to start here. This is tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Let's walk you through the overnight hours. That snow starts to dip down into the northern valley and northwestern Minnesota through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. So here's now Tuesday morning. You're waking up, getting ready for the day. Northern Valley, most of the snow will already be out, but northern Minnesota down into areas like Bemidji and potentially even Brainerd, dealing with some snow and a little bit of wind. So we could see some morning travel impacts for your Tuesday. Once the snow exits, the wind is going to really pick up. Where you see the red and orange arrows, that's winds gusting over 40 miles per hour, which could potentially lead to some areas of blowing snow, and that wind sticks around all afternoon before gradually diminishing in the evening. But as for snowfall amounts, the heaviest is going to be up in northern Minnesota, Lake of the Woods, between 3 and 5 inches of accumulation. This medium shade blue here between 1 and 3 inches. Grand Forks kind of right on that edge at this time. The northern part of town will likely see a little bit more snow than the southern end of Grand Forks. Here in Fargo, maybe just a few flurries, if anything. Temperatures tomorrow, though, get out and enjoy again. No widespread 30s, but 20s are still above average. In fact, our average today, 18 degrees. So we'll stay above that for the next few days. Then that snow moves in for Tuesday morning, and we really see the wind increasing in the afternoon. Behind that system, our temperatures plummet and that Arctic cold surges back in. In fact, a first alert weather day has now been raised for Thursday because look at those morning temperatures. That doesn't include any wind chill. That's just the actual air temperature, but some areas could see wind chill values as low as 50 degrees below zero up in the Northern Valley. We warm up a little bit by Friday afternoon. A warm front will bring a chance for some snow and some more wind, and then the shade returning cold behind that again. So it's looking like a colder end to the month of January.
Oh, well, we should be used to it by now, I guess.
I know, right?
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much, Summer.